Finally, the Galaxy Bud Plus is in the market at a price $149, which was released on February 14, 2020. The bud itself weighs lighter compared to the case, with the case being at 39.6 gram and the earbuds being at 6.3 gram. The buds are waterproof with IPX2, which means they are better for exercising but not for going to a swimming pool or you're going for a beach. While unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus, we open it. Inside here we can see the quick start guide to guide you further with warranty card and a C-type cable charger. In this box you will get free wingtips and earbuds, wingtips to attach them, and the different size of ear tips, with the charging case being shiny and having two buds inside. The left and right buds are mentioned with the letter R and L. There is very easy seamless pairing of the earbuds with Galaxy. All you have to do is open the earbuds and you will get an option at your cell phone and click pairing and it will pair itself. If your charging case run out of charger, all you have to do is put it at the latest version of your Samsung on the back side of it and you can get an easy wireless charging. If you're deciding to buy the Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus, make sure to understand these positive points: that it has the Bluetooth 5.0, scalable Samsung codec and AAC, and a great battery life of 11 hours in the buds itself and 11 hours in the charging case, which accounts for a total of 22 hours. Comparatively with the AirPods itself has only the 5-hour charges, and the remaining charge of AirPod case includes, comparatively they together form 25 hours. In Galaxy Bud Plus there are a total of 22 hours. And there's also a QI wireless charging, which means if you run out of charger, it's easy to charge with your cell phone. In Galaxy Bud Plus, they have also introduced a new inner third mic. Before in the Galaxy Bud, there were only two mics, which made the sound a bit harder to hear. But now they entered a third microphone that make the sound quality as like hearing from the cell phone itself. Also make sure to consider the negative point that it lacks aptX and it also lacks IPX4, which is the AirPods, which are more waterproof comparatively with the Samsung Earbud Plus. And they also lack the multi-potent functionality, and they also have no auto resume playback. If you're thinking to buy these Samsung Bud Plus, or even if you're trying to buy the AirPods, please make sure to click the link down below in the description of the Amazon app, and that way we'll get a little bit of commission of your buying. You won't be paying any extra money. It's all Amazon going to pay a little bit commission for putting a bit hard work. If you think we are worth that money, please make sure to click the link, buy it from there, because within 1 hour of your clicking, if you buy anything, we get a discount, we get a commission. Thank you for watching. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.